Hello guys, welcome back. In this tutorial today I'm going to share with you another website. You can claim your Bitcoin Satoshi from that website daily. 200 Satoshi maybe you can earn from that website. Okay, it's belongs to your work. If you work hard, you can earn much more. Okay, if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel. Okay, let's get started. This is the website. This website name is MoreBits, and this website link available in description. This website pay satoshis. Okay, beats the minimum amount is 2,000 satoshis, and this is very easy. 25% of commission this website paid. This website is very easy to sign up. First, you put your username, email, password, gender, your country, any country you belong. Put your Bitcoin wallet address and solve the captcha. Click it, and you can easily register in here. I have already account. Just I click login. Okay. And this is the website, and you can easily earn from this website. Okay. Right now you can see I have 259 beats, and the first one is the free claim from here. Okay, the Faucet 50 time claim per day, and if you reach it you can be maybe earn 4 beats, 5 beats, 6 beats, 7 beats, 10 beats, 12, 450, or maybe 5,000. And just solve this captcha. Is IVAX and VII. Just click it, and you will be earn 5 beats. Okay, and this is every 1 minute. Every 1 minute, and you can come back and you can claim again every 1 minute. Okay, 50 minutes they will take and pay you beats. Okay, I share with you the withdrawal. The withdrawal is in the Faucet pay. The minimum amount is this much. Okay, if you want to withdraw to Faucet pay. If you don't want Bitcoin wallet, the minimum amount is this much. Okay, and I recommend you to withdraw to Faucet pay. Okay, the next way is this website have a lot of advertisement. The next way is they visit the short links. Okay, if you visit all the short links, they pay you. Okay, sorry, visit the short links. Okay, this is the short links. If you watch all of these short links, pay you 50 beats. Okay, and 8 short links available in here, 76666, and this is all the beats they pay you. And the next one is PTC ads. This all available PTC ads you can earn from this website. Okay, if you watch this ads, pay you 225 beats 60 seconds. This is payment website right now because the Bitcoin prices right now is very high. Okay, and you can earn much more beats from here too. And the next one of the earning is jobs. 7 jobs to complete. You can complete it and you can earn your achievement. Okay, first one is the membership. You can buy it. I didn't recommend you. Okay, and this is buy again. Payment proof. Okay, if you have received the payment, you can make a video about that, or you can maybe make a picture about that. Okay, post your picture to social media and write 10 words and you can post your link. They pay you some satoshi. Okay, this is the Facebook. The minimum followers is this much if you post it on Facebook. This is the website if you post in the website, and this is a blog if you have blog. Okay, and publish a video in YouTube if you have a YouTube like me. Post your this much minute of the watch this long of the video. This is the quality, the minimum subscriber this much, and link included to your description. Okay, this will be pay you 20 silver days. Okay, if I have that silver day, I share with you what the silver day do. Okay, the next one is the achievement. Achievement is another best way you can earn. Okay, if you claim this much, you can earn this much beats. If you claim this much, you can have 1 day silver, and this is the all beats. Okay, and this is the best achievement I ever see. If you have referral, this much referral, you earn 50 bits, 500 bits, silver day. Okay, what the silver day do, I didn't know because I didn't receive the silver day. If I receive my silver day, first silver day, I share with you what the silver day do. Okay, the next one is the referral, 35% commission. Game, you can gambling. In here you have contest offers and more. You have the withdrawal. Okay, I share with you the withdrawal. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. This website link is available in description. Click the link and give you register yourself. Thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos. If I reach the minimum withdrawal, I will share with you the withdrawal. Bye bye.